Intuition gets talked about a lot, but most people don't spend any time developing the skill of intuition. Today I'm going to illuminate the great value your intuition can bring into your life and how ignoring it may be costing you money. So what is intuition? Simply put, it's your ability to perceive or know something without consciously analyzing it or receiving it through your five senses. In other words, it's your ability to know something without knowing how you know it. Or at least this is how most people think about intuition, but this knowing is actually claircognizance, or what some people refer to as a sixth sense. And this unexplained knowing isn't a gift that's just available to a select few. It's available to everyone. But because few people believe it's something they can access, most don't spend the time necessary to develop the skill. They may get a weird or a gut feeling now and then that alerts them to something, but they normally forget all about the concept, and those times of receiving some kind of an intuitive hit are few and far between. Let me know in comments if you've ever experienced this feeling, this kind of feeling or this knowing, and if you found it helpful. Now, I know developing a new skill sounds like it may be time-consuming or maybe too much work, doesn't it? But it's actually not a lot of hard work, and it's well worth the time and the effort. So today I'm going to highlight some of the benefits you may be missing out on. Developing your intuition is going to help you gain clarity. As you strengthen this skill, you'll know your most aligned actions and path and stop second-guessing yourself. It can make you more decisive. When you learn to trust your knowing and honor it, the overthinking and the analysis paralysis can stop. It's really liberating to know you're making the decisions that are the best for you at any particular time, and you can get out of your head and into taking aligned actions. Intuition can also make you more innovative. Innovation is the precursor for almost all success, and the best ideas will come to you when you learn to tap into your guidance. Of course, receiving the ideas is only half the battle. You have to be willing to trust and follow those ideas in order to reap the rewards. I explained more about what intuition actually is and how to develop it in this next video. And if you'd like to learn more about developing your knowing or your sixth sense, I've included a free training below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.